guys, so in today's video I'm going to be attempting another Dutch pour. I was really happy with my results from my last video, at least the last painting. So I've got some different colors. I'm going to use some less paint in this one and I'm going to give it a go. Okay guys, so I've got my gloves on and I've coated the canvas and it's a thin coat. I hope it's thin enough. I did go over it with my torch real lightly to get any air bubbles out of there, and kind of learned from last time to not use so much paint. Several comments, whoa, too much paint. So this time I'm gonna go lighter on the paint, and I'm just gonna do just straight across the canvas, just cause, you know, this is a new technique for me. I'm a little late to the Dutch pour game. So I'm gonna start with red. And this is Soho Alizarin Crimson. And then I've got, this one is Liquitex Basics. It's primary yellow. Wanted some kind of brighter colors, I guess. I mean, the red's not bright, but it's pretty vibrant color. So, and this orange is from Soho, and it's cadmium light red hue. And I took bronze from Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics and mixed that in, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous orangey bronze color. Love it, love it. All right, scoot these out of the way. All right, so now I'm gonna take the white, just put a little bit on each side. I still feel like this is a lot, but I'm learning. I mean, it's a lot less than I used in the first one, so. All right, so I've got my stick. And one day I'll graduate to using the blow dryer, but for now, the stick is comfortable for me to use. So, and I'm not really sure if I even need to do both sides, but that's how I'm doing. I think I see both ways. So I think it's better covered going both from the top and the bottom. So, all right, so I've got my blow dryer and I'm gonna start it this time on low cool, because this, like I said, this is a new one. If you guys watched my other video, and it's got a lot more power. So, all right, so here we go. everybody. So the paintings are all dry and I am super happy with how they look. The colors blended really nice. Using less paint definitely made a difference. I like the second one a little bit better just because I was kind of trying to do a little bit of a design instead of straight across, but I still like the first one as well. So I will definitely be doing more Dutch pours and different color combinations. So stay tuned for those and let me know what you guys think in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in the description, and have a great day.